Welcome to Tech Info Guruji. In this video, we'll explore how to find remote jobs all over the world, with tips and tricks to help you land a job from anywhere and work remotely. Let's dive in. Start by identifying your skills and interests. Knowing what you are good at and what you enjoy doing will help you focus your job search on roles that are a good fit for you. Create a list of your skills, experience, and the type of remote job you are looking for. Example: Priya, a graphic designer, identified her skills in Adobe Creative Suite and her interest in digital marketing, which helped her focus on finding remote design and marketing roles. There are several job boards and websites dedicated to remote work. Some popular ones include remote.co, We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and Remote OK. Regularly check these sites and apply for jobs that match your skills and interests. Example: Raj found his remote customer service job through remote.co by regularly checking for new listings and applying to relevant positions. Make sure your resume and online profiles, such as LinkedIn, are up-to-date and optimized for remote job applications. Highlight your remote work experience, relevant skills, and any tools or technologies you are proficient in. Use keywords related to remote work to increase your chances of being noticed by recruiters. Example: Anjali updated her LinkedIn profile to highlight her remote project management experience and skills in tools like Asana and Trello. This led to multiple interview opportunities. Networking is crucial in finding remote jobs. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups related to your industry. Engage with others, share your knowledge, and let people know you are looking for remote work. Networking can lead to job referrals and insider information about job openings. Example: Suresh joined a digital nomad community on Facebook, where he connected with other remote workers and learned about a remote software development job that wasn't advertised publicly. When applying for remote jobs, tailor your application to each position. Write a personalized cover letter and adjust your resume to highlight the most relevant skills and experiences for the job. Show that you have researched the company and understand its remote work culture. Example: Kavita tailored her cover letter for each job application, emphasizing her experience with remote collaboration and communication tools, which helped her stand out to employers. Remote job interviews may be conducted via video calls, so make sure you are prepared. Test your internet connection, webcam, and microphone beforehand. Find a quiet, well-lit space for the interview. Practice answering common interview questions and be ready to discuss your remote work experience. Example: Rohit practiced for his video interview by doing mock interviews with friends. This preparation helped him feel confident and perform well during the actual interview. During interviews, emphasize your ability to work independently, manage your time effectively, and communicate clearly. Mention any remote work tools you are proficient in, such as Slack, Zoom, or Google Workspace. Demonstrating your remote work skills can reassure employers that you are a good fit for a remote role. Example: Sneha highlighted her proficiency in using remote work tools and her experience managing a remote team, which impressed the interviewers and led to a job offer. Finding remote jobs all over the world is possible with the right strategies. Identify your skills and interests, use remote job boards, optimize your resume and online profiles, network, tailor your applications, prepare for remote interviews, and showcase your remote work skills. Follow these tips and tricks to land your dream remote job from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Subscribe to Tech Info Guruji channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.